What other foods do you like to eat?
Cucumbers, carrots, avocados, tomatoes, broccoli, grapes, raspberries, strawberries, bell peppers. I just said bell peppers. Peppers.
What kind of fruits and vegetables do you like?
I like strawberries. I like strawberries and apples and peppers.
Yeah? And is that an apple you have? Yeah?
It's a golden red apple.
Yeah?
Do you want to watch me eat the golden part?
Yep.
Then the red part?
Yep.
Okay, watch me.
You can find all our videos on the Real Food Kids YouTube